Hello again, it's Sam with BlindShell. In today's video, I'm going to show you some of the features regarding adding contacts to the BlindShell Classic mobile phone. So first things first, we need to navigate to the contacts menu. I'm simply going to press right on the directional pad here.
Messages 2 of 9. Contacts 3 of 9.
There we go.
Contacts list 1 of 6.
So I want to add a new contact, so I'm going to scroll to the right here.
Add new contact 2 of 6.
There we go. I'm going to click that.
First name 1 of 9.
Alright, we got to put in the first name, so I'm going to click that.
First name.
Now we have a text field here. I'm just going to use the voice control because that's so much easier for entering text into the phone. If you'd like to learn more about voice dictation, check out our how-to video. John.
John.
Now I'll just hit the OK button.
First name John 1 of 9.
Now I'm going to go to the next option to the right here.
Surname 2 of 9.
The surname or the last name. I'm going to click that.
Surname.
Smith.
Smith.
Click OK.
Surname Smith 2 of 9.
Now we're going to click to the next option, and we're just going to continue this, filling out all the pertinent information.
Mobile 3 of 9. Mobile.
Now I'm going to put in the mobile number.
5 5 5 1 2 1 2.
Click OK.
Mobile 5 5 5 1 2 1 2 3 of 9. Home 4 of 9.
We'll skip the home phone number.
Work 5 of 9.
No, we'll skip the work number.
Other 6 of 9. Email address 7 of 9. Postal address 8 of 9. Save contact 9 of 9.
And here we go with Save Contact. So I'm going to click OK.
Contact save. Contacts list 1 of 6.
Let's go to the contacts list and look at that new contact we just entered.
Kevin Eastman 1 of 3. John Smith 2 of 3.
There's John, so I'm going to click on that.
Dial 1 of 6.
I can dial John's phone number if I want.
Write SMS 2 of 6.
Send him a text message.
Edit contact 3 of 6.
I can edit the contact.
Assign ringtone 4 of 6.
This is kind of nice. I can assign a custom ringtone to John so that whenever John calls me, I'll automatically know that it's John calling and not someone else. Let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to click OK.
Andromeda selected 1 of 97.
Now hopefully you can hear me over the sound. This is the Andromeda ringtone, but there were 97 other options we could choose from. So I'm going to scroll through and listen to some of those.
Aquila not selected 2 of 97. Argo Navis not selected 3 of 97.
All right, I like that one. We'll choose that one.
Argo Navis selected.
So I clicked OK.
John Smith 2 of 3. Dial 1 of 6. Edit contact 3. Assign ringtone 4 of 6.
Let's see what other options we have.
Send contact as business card 5 of 6.
We can share John's contact information as a business card.
Delete contact 6 of 6.
And then we have the option to delete John's contact information.
Call 1 of 9.
So that was a quick look at the contacts application of the BlindShell Classic phone. Thank you very much for watching. If you would like to learn more about what your BlindShell Classic phone can do, be sure to head over to our YouTube channel and watch some of our other tutorial videos.